Hello friend, welcome to Study Technique. In current video, we'll discuss weekly current affair from 21 November to 5 December, and it is the last part of 21 November. And here is the question number 1. Name the winner of 2020 Booker Prize for Fictions. And here the answer is Douglas Stuart, and for his reasons of his writers on Sugaven. Number 2. One television day is observed on which day? And it is observed on 21 November. Number 3. Which of the following stations are awarded with ISO certification for quality management system? And it is Kohima North Police Station. Question number 4. On which rank India is on World for Independent Regional Navigation Satellite System? And India occupied 4th position. Question number 5. Which of the following is the most expensive city for living in Economist Intelligent Unit? And most expensive city is Hong Kong from China. If you talking about most cheapest city, and it is Damascus from Syria. Question number 6. Which among the following has honored with Aditya Birla Kora Siskar Puruskar for 2020? And it is Nasiruddin Shah. Question number 7. Which of the following state has won the Fisheries Award in Best Performing State in India? And it is Odisha. Question number 8. Name the trilateral marine exercise conducted among India, Singapore, and Thailand. And it is SEATMEX 2020. Question number 9. The 15th G20 Summit was held under chairmanship of, and 15th G20 Summit is going to held under chairmanship of Saudi Arabia. And the theme of this 15th G20 Summit was realizing the opportunity of the 21st century for all. And if you're talking the 16th G20 Summit is going to held on under the chairmanship of Italy. Question number 10. Elisa has launched a digital application for agents named, and it's Anand. Number 11. Which of the following country hosted Asia Pacific Economist Corporations? And it is hosted by Malaysia. Question number 12. The 27th edition of a bilateral maritime exercise SIMPEX held between, and it is held between India and Singapore. Question number 13. Who has won ATP Tower Tennis Festival final held in London? And it is Daniel Medvedev. Question number 14. First cow hospital has inaugurated in which state of India? And it is inaugurated in Assam. Which of the following country will host ASEAN? And ASEAN will be hosted by Indonesia. 16. Which Indian show has won the Best Drama Series Award at the 48th International Emmy Award 2020? And it's Delhi Crime. Question 17. International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women is observed every year, and it is observed on 21st November. Question number 18. Which tiger reserve of India has won TX2 International Award for doubling the population of tiger? And it's Pilibhit Tiger Reserve from Uttar Pradesh. Question 19. Which country has launched Chang 5 mission to Moon to collect lunar sample? And it is launched by China. Question 20. Shahid Divas is observed on, it is observed on 24th November. Question number 21. Who among the following has won the Best Actor Award at the 40th International Emmy Awards? And it's Billy Barrett. Here is the question 22. Who among the following has won the Best Actress Award at 40th International Emmy Award? And it's Glenda Jackson. Question number 23. When is the Constitution Day of India is observed? And it is observed on 26th November. Question number 24. Name the first production unit of a heavyweight torpedo flagged by the DRDO. And it is Varunastra for Navy. Question number 25. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of International Cricket Council? It's Greg Barclay from New Zealand. Question number 26. National Meal League observed on, and it is also observed on 26th November. And here is the additional information regarding this question, who is known as the father of white revolution in India, and it's Bhargesh Kuran. Question 27, who has been appointed as the new engineer chief of Indian Army, and it is Harpal Singh. Question 28, Ayodhya Airport to be renamed as, and it is going to be renamed as Marida Ram Purushottam Shriram Airport. Question 29, which film has been selected for the Indian official entry in International Feature Film Award, and it is Jallikattu. Question number 30, Indian football team has occupied which rank on FIFA, and India occupied 104. Question 31, which of the following countries has successfully test fired a Triton hypersonic missile in Atlantic Ocean, and it is test fired by Russia. Question 32, which constructing company has baked 7,000 crore award for the construction of bullet train for India, and it is Larsen and Toubro. Question 33, which word has named as the word of the year by Oxford Dictionary? It is quarantine. Question 34, World AIDS is observed on, and it is very popular for December. And if we're talking about the theme of the World AIDS Day on 2020, it's global solidarity, share responsibility. Question 35, who has won the Bahrain Grand Prix 2020? And it's Question 36, who has been appointed as the Secretary General of Lok Sabha, and it's Utpal Kumar Singh. Question 37, who has been appointed as the Chairperson of National Dairy Development Board, and it's Varsha Joshi. Question 38, which of the following armed force of India is termed as first line of defense of India territories, and it's Border of Security Post, and recently in December it observed its rising day. So friends, the current section is end with question number 38, and if you think this video is helpful to you, then subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.